Welcome to the Social Media Clinic, guys. I am Dr. Craftology, your social media strategist, and I am bringing you a TikTok video review where I break down a TikTok video and I get into what was done correctly, what was done wrong, and I also offer you all with some tips for you all to grow on TikTok, whether that be in social media presence, sales, or engagement, or even brand awareness. So, with this audit, with this review, I want you guys to be inspired. I want you all to learn from it, take notes. If you want to, you guys will see more of these. But if you really, really like these, go ahead and tag your TikTok handle, and I may choose you for the next TikTok video review. All right, so let's get into it. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. So, here we have DSY Lifestyle. This is a embroidered fashion company. They sell embroidered clothing like hats, sweatshirts, t-shirts, bathing suits, different things like that. This company has decided to use TikTok as one of their platforms to meet new people, to get sales, and to engage. So we are going to watch one video together and then I'm going to break it down. I'm going to look at the quality of the content, the captions, which contain hashtags, SEO. We are going to look at the engagement on the post as well, any type of creative effects, just so you guys can get an idea, right, on what, like I said, what you could be doing wrong, right? So let's watch it together and then I'll get into the review.
At the next chick, soon as you're blinking, what's your persona about this Americana rhymer? Am I shallow? Cause all my clothes designer. Dress smart like a London bloke. Before he speak, his suit be spoke. And you thought he was cute before. Look at this piece at the next chick.
Alrighty, so here we have a outfit of the day video where she basically took us through a vlog style time lapse process type of video of building her entire outfit. Those of you that are watching, if you sell t-shirts, if you have a boutique, if you sell any type of apparel, if you are a fashion content creator, this review is going to be for you. But that type of content, what you see here of her putting it on, and then she's taking us through the story of this entire outfit. This is going to be one style of type of content that you are going to want to do because audience, the viewers, they want to see the pieces on. You have to give them the full experience of the outfit, of the fashion, because there is no fitting room. So, how can we provide a fitting room type of experience to where our viewers can basically try on our outfits, try on our apparel? What do? We create videos for them so that we can show them how the clothing is being used, how to wear it, how to style it. And within that content, they see themselves. That is the reason why you will see on TikTok this type of content pushes really, really, really well. But it's not just what you're doing in the video that matters, it's also the SEO, the caption, hashtags, right? The quality of the video, how you are engaging on the app, right? So, what kind of activity do you partake in outside of posting on this app, right? So, so we got that. Another thing that I want to talk about is the quality of the content. This video fits the entire screen and is fully vertical, not square. It has no borders, it has no watermarks, no type of logos sitting around, nothing blinking everywhere there. It's not a whole bunch of stickers on there. It's very simple. It has great lighting and it also has text overlay that describes what's going on in the video, right? It properly and carefully and fully informs a person on what's going on in the content. That is exactly what you want. I've seen some people's content on TikTok It looks very consumerish. It looks grainy, very pixelated and or dark, and that's something that you don't want your content to look like that. So if you cannot accomplish good lighting, I definitely recommend that you invest in a light source or use daylight. Open up the blinds in your home and record. Okay. Now, when you don't have a vertical type of video, if it comes up square, if it has watermarks on it, if it has borders on it, TikTok considers that as low quality content and they will actually not push that video out. So if you have videos that have borders, if you've been posting videos without text, if you have been posting videos that just look really, really, really dark and very pixelated content, I'm sorry, TikTok will not push that content out. Okay. Now, elevated basic outfit is SEO. You have to be sure that whatever text you have on your videos, which every video you need to make it a habit to add text, be sure that it is easily readable, that it is bold, and that the color of the text matches with the aesthetic of the video. Don't have these crazy colors, right? Because again, you want it to be visually pleasing to the eyes. Okay, people are going to engage with what is visually interesting, right? So it's all about what they see first, right? So the key is that you want people to actually click on the video when they are searching for something. So what happens is TikTok gives them accounts based on what they search for. Those of you that don't have text on your videos will not be found. You won't be discovered because you have not optimized your videos for search purposes. Now, we should care about that because TikTok now is organizing posts based on SEO. People are using TikTok like Google. Anytime someone wants to find out about a new restaurant, recipes, different things to help with certain type of health issues, a cold, a fever, people are now running to TikTok for help. So that is the reason why now we have to care about the words that we add to the videos. We have to care about the words that we also include in our captions as well as hashtags. Okay, so be sure that you are using text on your videos that contain keywords that your audience would actually search to find that product. Okay, so elevated basic outfit. You have real people that are looking for outfit ideas. They may search outfits for V-Day. They may search winter outfits. So any content that has the word on it that says anything dealing with outfit, TikTok is going to give that video to that person that's searching. Okay? So text overlays, aka text stickers, are a big deal. Okay. Excuse me, guys. The next thing is going to be the caption. The caption is where your hashtags go. This is where you get into more detail about what you're doing in the video, about your product. You can highlight different features of your product. You can have a kind of like a casual conversation, but most importantly, your caption needs to have a good hook in the first sentence, and your first sentence should be SEO optimized, which means not only should you be including optimized keywords in your text stickers on the video, but you should also be adding that to your caption if you want to be found, if you want to be placed in the right space. So here she did do that, but where is the rest of the caption? Become a little bit more informative, have a little bit more conversation in the caption. Also, direct them on where you want them to shop. This is a TikTok shop post, right? So you have to have shoppable content. Shoppable content always has a call to action. That is a word that directs a person on what you want them to do. So that could be join now, add to cart, click here, buy now. Okay, most business owners that are posting content usually forget to add that, and it makes a whole lot difference because again, shoppable content is like using service. I'm going to serve you, right? And I'm going to walk you to the cart, right? So, and people do things based off of what they are told to do, right? So that's something that this business owner could have definitely added is some more details on the Thanksgiving sweater, right? So she could have actually talked about she could have actually listed all of the different items that she used to create this elevated basic outfit. So I don't know if you guys have ever seen it, but a lot of Amazon content creators will actually give you a full list of the entire outfit, like hat from this, shoes from Gucci, shirt from Walmart, right? So that is probably something that she should have done so that people can also execute this same look, of course, with her actual product, which is her Thanksgiving sweater. Okay, so the caption should have been more informative. It is SEO optimized, but it also should have added a call to action. So something like you can achieve this look by adding the grateful Thanksgiving sweater to your cart by clicking the orange cart right there. That is what I mean when I say add a call to action. Okay, because people may want to achieve this same look using her sweater. So now it's time for her to direct them on how they can do that. That is what is missing. Now let's get into the hashtags. The hashtags are actually really, really good. I would stick to 7 to 9. You don't really need too much. I've seen people do big paragraphs of hashtags. Don't do that because TikTok is going to have a hard time categorizing you and placing you in the right space. I've also seen people use no hashtags or very little. If you are in your growth phase, I'm not talking to the ones that have 50K, 60K. I'm talking about the ones that may have under 1,000, even under 10K, right? When you are in your growth phase and you are building, you have to use hashtags. You guys may see people that don't use hashtags at all, but you have to look at um, their growth, look at where they stand, look at their community, right? A person that has 100K is not going to have to use hashtags really like that because they already have that huge large community already established that you want. But in order to get there, you have to be found. So hashtags are very important uh for the discovery process, right? So let's talk about these hashtags. So get ready with me, OOTD, comfy outfits, casual styles, casual inspo style, fashion inspo, sweatshirt outfits, Latina TikToker, basic outfit look, Latina outfit style. So all of these hashtags are great. Again, I would use less of them. Comfy outfits, casual outfits, those are all topic type of hashtags. So those are hashtags that describe the topic or theme of the video. Okay. Latina TikToker is going to be a target audience or community hashtag. So that is a hashtag that describes a target audience, community, or group of people that you are trying to reach. Okay. And then we have fashion inspo, basic outfit look. Those are called SEO hashtags. So those are hashtags that describe what someone would search to find content or the product that is in this video that is being pushed. Okay. Now, what I probably would have done because the shirt is it does say, grateful. I would have probably focused on niches or areas in which people have something to be grateful for. So maybe hashtag wellness, because expressing what you are grateful for is a way to kind of be one with yourself, and it's really healthy mentally. So I probably would have used something like that. Otherwise, this content is great. I hope you guys enjoyed this TikTok video review, and make sure you guys comment below. Let me know. Also, tag your TikTok handles because I want to do another TikTok video review. I will be picking people randomly. So I will see you guys in the next video.